Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest reviews on the latest gear and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of motorcycle accessories with a product that's making waves among riders. Get ready to transform the look of your dirt bike with the best motorcycle spoke covers on the market, JFG Racing Spoke Skins Covers. If you're a motorcycle enthusiast like me, you know that the details matter. That's why I'm excited to introduce you to these durable spoke covers from JFG Racing. Not only do they enhance the appearance of your bike, but they also provide practical benefits that every rider can appreciate. Made from high-quality plastic, these spoke covers are built to last. Whether you're tearing up the trails or cruising down the street, they'll keep your bike looking sharp while protecting your spokes from damage. Installation is a breeze. Simply slip them onto your spokes and you're good to go. With 72 pieces in each set, you'll have more than enough to cover both your front and rear wheels. One of the standout features of these covers is their flexibility. They're designed to fit 19 to 21-inch spoked wheels, making them compatible with a wide range of motorcycles, bicycles, and even wheelchairs. And let's talk about customization. With the option to choose from various colors, including classic black, you can personalize your ride to suit your style. But it's not just about looks, these covers serve a practical purpose too. By reducing vibrations and preventing your spokes from coming loose, they help ensure a smoother, safer ride. So, whether you're a seasoned rider or just getting started, JFG Racing Spoke Skins covers are a must-have accessory for any motorcycle enthusiast. Upgrade your ride today and hit the road with confidence. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest products. Until next time, ride safe and stay adventurous.